So, how to build a course on WAP or create a course? So, all you have to do is go under Hub. I mean, it's a bit a longer process, but this is just in short steps to explain you like what you have to take. Then you go to your Hub to where you started your community, like you can see here, and you can see I already have courses created like you see here. It's the Search Crew, where I teach people how they make money with a search-based evergreen YouTube content, where the people rank videos on first page of YouTube and earn money with Google AdSense. But yeah, that's another topic. So you can do that by add apps here. You can see here by clicking the add apps, you will see this type here: courses, create and sell online courses, coaching, education content. All you have to do now from here on is click here add app, and after you added the app, you just can click here this button, create your course now. Of course, you have to prepare something, a name for the course. You have already to pre-record the footage, or even start now and record the footage yourself later on. Let's say YouTube search automation beginner guide, and then you just click continue. Give your course a tagline: easy passive income, easy passive income. For this example, description ABCD, doesn't matter. You just click continue. Then you can see YouTube search automation beginner guide is now live. Congrats, you have successfully created your course. It's not true, not yet, but you will have a course soon. So take a look around. Like you can see, this is the course and how it will look like when you're just starting out. Now you can change, like upload the image, change the image here, how you want it to appear. And after that, you can just name your first chapter like intro. And then under lessons, you can click on lessons here. Then all you have to do is drag and drop your video file for the course you already created, just to upload it here, or you can click the upload file to upload it as well. So like you can see, and then you can continue on lesson 2. And if you want to add a different chapter, you just click new chapter, name the new chapter, start here, for example. And then inside, then just like inside the start here, you can choose what you want to add. If you want the text files only, you do this. If you want the PDF file to attach it, just click this. You see, as simple as that. In this case, we want to upload the course, so we click on video and we just click again create lesson, as simple as that. And here we go, we created a next lesson where we just drag and drop the video files here, and that's basically it. We have the intro, then we put what we want to, with the files that are already recorded here, and then the course starts. You just drag and drop here the files, and yeah, you go chapter by chapter for your course until you got the entire course uploaded. And then you can see, when you click the copy link, when you share to someone this particular link, he will be able to just start viewing your course. In case that this person can't access, this is because you have like here the access bar. Then you can go to the products you already created to let only those people in who are in your community. But this should be like everything you should know about how to yeah, how to create courses and upload them on web.